baby. You little meowing thing. You little meowing thing. Come here. Come here. What? You got a meowing problem? You got a cat problem? Your cute little face. You want me to fix you? You got some dinner up there. I got diggy food for you. Cat food. Want some cat food? Come here. What's the matter? Come here. Come here. Hey. Aww. Oh, the light just went out. Aww. Let me pet you. Yeah, let me pet you. Yeah, you just a little rotten cat. You're a rotten cat. Where'd you come from? Oh, you're a cat. You're a little cat buddy. You're a little cat buddy. I got some food for you. Yeah, here, come on. Let's go upstairs and get some diggy food. Want that food? Come on. We'll go get you some. Come on. Come on, I'll go get you some food. Come on. Come on up here. Come on. I'll get you some. There's some food up here. Come on. Here you go. Come on. Diggy food. Come on, you little meowing thing. What's the matter with you? Need some food? See, look. Diggy food. Yeah. There you go. You don't want the food? You want me to pet you? Okay, I'll pet you. You better eat, because the other cats are going to come and get it later. Yeah. Oh, you don't look at you eating in a while. Nothing's going to get you. You like that, don't you? Maybe we'll name you Oreo. Oreo. This is a YouTuber that has a cat looks just like you. Yeah. You're a hungry little thing, aren't you? You have to go in and get you some more food. I'm not gonna get you. I'm not getting you. I'm just moving around. You're all right. Oh, you like to be rubbed. Oh yeah, there you go. Yeah, everybody likes that. Every cat likes that. Every cat likes to be rubbed on. Oh yeah. You eat all the food. Want me to get you some more? Hold on. There you go. You got a full bowl now. I fixed you up a full bowl. What more do you want? You look at all that. You got a whole bowl of Dougie food. Cat food. It's actually cat food. Don't worry, we're not feeding you Dougie. You can't feed cats Dougie food. I used to be a dog person at one time, so I call everything Dougie food. But that's actual cat food. And for those that don't know, you cannot feed dog food to cats, and you can't feed cat food to dogs. There's a reason they got two different names. Got a water bowl back here. A water bowl back here. You want some water? Get everything for you up on this porch. Oh, you're hungry. You're a hungry little thing. Yeah, you're a hungry little cat. Actually, yeah, you're kind of skinny. A little meat on your bones. It's been a couple minutes. You almost got that gone. I have to go get some more food for you. You were a hungry little cat, weren't you? Hey, see your little face. Get your little face on the camera so we can see your little face. Can we see your little face? You're hungry little thing is what you are. Hey. There you go. I see your little face. What? You better drink some water. You ate a lot of food. You better drink some water over there. It doesn't feel like you've been bit up by fleas. I wonder if someone was taking care of you and you just let you go, or you just got out. Or they put you up on the internet and see if anyone knows who you are. Yeah, see if anybody knows who you are. Hey. Meow. Meow. Pretty cat. Oh, pretty cat. Meow. A pretty cat. Meow. You meow at me. You meow at me. Yeah. You done? I'll get you another bowl here in a minute. I'll fill it up again for you. See, you made me spill the food all over the place, you goofy thing. Yeah, move your bony head so I can put it back in the bowl. Get your bony head over there so I can put it back in the bowl for you. Well, you were hungry. No wonder you're out there underneath my truck sitting there crying, hoping for somebody to come get you. Poor thing. Are you finally full now? You finally got a full belly? Yeah, you got a full belly now? Nope, you're still gonna eat some more. You can have all you want. Is another cat buddy down there? You see their bear or orange cat? We got lots of cat buddies that hang out here. But you're the first one. Well, you're not the first one, but you're of the three that come here and eat. You come to me and let me pay you. The other two are a little more feral. You done eating finally? Nope, you're not done eating yet. Hey, buddy. Got your little face. You done eating now? I was supposed to leave like 20 minutes ago, but I got you up here feeding you, so I'm kind of stuck here at the moment. Aww, you rub on me. Did it just become your? Did you just adopt me? Are you trying to adopt me? Is that what's happening? I don't know if I got room for more cats. You got something stuck on your face. What is that? Let me see. Hold still. Let me see what this is. What is stuck in your fur? Whatever it is doesn't hurt you, so it must be just something in your fur. What is that? We're still eating. We're still eating.